Well, this is so amazing. Hi everyone, today is World Idli Day, and when you think of idli, you think of MTR. Well, truly MTR has the widest range of idlis that are just delicious and made in a few minutes, and that's why we can make fun and innovative recipes using these mixes. Well, today MTR is launching its exclusive cookbook, the MTR Wow Idli Cookbook, which will showcase innovative recipes using MTR idli mixes. Hey guys, it's me, the Bombay chef Varun Inamdar, and gear up for a mouth-watering treat, MTR Rava Idli Chaat using MTR Rava Idli mix. Let's begin. Idlis are usually made with rice. Rava idlis are made using rava. It also has ingredients like cashew, ginger, coriander, curry leaf ka tadka, which make it yummy. MTR Rava Idli mix has all these ingredients already in the pack. To make today's special MTR Rava Idli Chaat, let's first see how to make MTR Rava Idlis. All you have to do is cut open the pack. In a bowl, I'm taking 1 cup of the MTR Rava Idli mix. And to this, I'm going to add in 1 cup of curd. Let's add it in. The next step is to mix this well. Mix this well and keep it aside for 1 minute. Once this batter has rested for a minute, we're going to add in half a cup more of curd. Let's add this in. Mix this well and keep this aside for 2 minutes. Now, while this is resting for 2 minutes, let's move on to the next step, and that is greasing the idli mold. Now, you can grease this with oil, ghee, that's completely your personal choice. Let's just add in a few drops, and that's about it. With the tip of your fingers, create a very thin layer so that demolding the idlis becomes very easy. Just to give you a recap, so far I've used MTR Rava Idli mix, which is 1 cup, to which I added 1 cup of curd, rested it for a minute, then added half cup of curd again, mixed it well and rested it for 2 minutes. While I'm saying all of this, the detailed measurements and description is written at the back of the pack. You can refer it at ease. This mixture is done and ready. With the help of a spoon, we're going to add this into the greased mold. Ensure that you fill only 3/4 of the mold, because this, while steaming, is going to puff up, it's going to rise beautifully well. Let's place this in the steamer, and similarly, let's fill the second mold as well. Let's place this as well. Light the flame, of course, and allow this to cook on medium to high flame for 10 to 12 minutes. Well, did you know the Rava Idli was invented by MTR during the World War II? It's thanks to MTR today that making Rava Idli seems so easy. The idlis are steamed and ready. With this, off goes the flame, and the idli tray needs to be pulled out so that this can cool down to room temperature. The idlis have cooled down completely. Let's demold these. With this, our steamed MTR Rava Idlis are done and ready. Let's move on to the next step, and that is making the MTR Rava Idli Chaat. Let's cut these idlis into quarters. let's start assembling the chaat. Right at the bottom of the plate or the bowl, whatever you wish to choose for this recipe, let's place the MTR Rava Idli, which is steamed and cooled down, like so. And let's start adding in some more ingredients. And these are all the ingredients that you and I love while making chaat. The first thing is chilled yogurt or dahi or curd, whatever you like. Let's add in a generous portion of this. Well, you can also sweeten this just a little. I like it a little salted in this case especially, so I've added just a tinge of salt. The next is to add in sweet tamarind chutney. Now this tamarind chutney is very simple. You take dates, you take tamarind, you add in like a cup of water, you cook it with just a touch of salt and MTR Red Chilli Powder. Let's add a generous helping of this chutney. I'm going to top this up with just a little bit of the green chutney. Now in this case, the green chutney is something that I make generally every time in my house. It has green chilies, it has coriander, just a tinge of mint, it has cumin seeds, and it also has salt. I'm just adding a little bit of this chutney because I personally do not like my chaat to be spicy. I like it nice and chatpata and sweet. I'm going to top this up with just a little bit of red onions, finely chopped. Just a pinch of MTR Red Chilli Powder. A pinch of MTR Chaat Masala Powder. Some pomegranate kernels. Fresh fruit, which will add in a nice fruity element to this chaat. A little bit of coriander leaves. Experimenting with different idli recipes has become so easy, and that's thanks to the MTR's idli mixes. What better way to celebrate World Idli Day than having something so unique and interesting like the MTR Rava Idli Chaat? Let's move on to our final garnish, and that is Sev. And now comes my most favorite part, and that is tasting this. Well, this is so amazing. When you can make Rava Idlis using MTR, I'm wondering why don't you take it to the next level and make this MTR Rava Idli Chaat. This and many more such recipes in the MTR Wow Idli cookbook. Check it out and have an delicious time. Do follow the hashtags #MTR World Idli Day and #MTR Wow Idli Cookbook for more interesting idli recipes. Bye for now.